Hello, welcome back to our channel. So today we are to solve this 9 on 4 exponent 9 on 4. You are not to use a calculator, okay? No calculator. So before we start, let's see 9. We can see that we can express 9 as 3 squared, okay? And also 4, we can express it as 2 squared. Okay, so let's rewrite our expression. So it's going to be 3 squared on 2 squared, or exponent 4 over 9, like this. Okay, and now when you have a over b, or exponent m, is equal to a exponent m over b exponent m. So which is equal to 3 on 2 exponent 2 multiplied by 9 on 4. So to simplify this, we are going to get 3 on 2 to bracket. This goes into step 1, goes here 2. So it will be 9 2. Okay, so now this 9 on 2, we can express it as 4 plus 1 on 2, okay, which is the same as 9 on 2. So our expression now becomes 3 on 2 bracket 4 plus 1 on 2. Okay, so we can rewrite this as 3 on 2 whole exponent 4 multiplied by 3 on 2 whole exponent of. Okay, we apply this algebra law. That was a exponent m plus n, which is the same as a exponent m, okay, multiplied by a exponent n. Okay. So let's continue from here. So we are going to get, when you simplify this, we are going to get 3 exponent 4 on 2 exponent 4 multiplying by this, the same as square root of 3 on 2. So 3 exponent 4 is 81. So we are going to get 81 on 2 exponent 4 is 16. Okay, multiplying by square root of. So this one we can express it as, let me write this before we express it back. So we can rewrite this as 81 on 16 multiplied by root of 3 over root of 2. Okay, now we need to solve this first. So to solve this, we have to rationalize it. So our expression becomes 81 over 16 multiplying by square root of 3 on 2 times, sorry, this should be this, times square root of 2 over square root of 2, like this. So 81 on 16 multiplied by, now this we are going to get square root of 3 times 2, and this one to be square root of 2 times 2, which is equal to, now 81 on 16 multiplied by 3 times 2 is 6, square root of 6 on square root of 4. Okay, so 81 on 16 multiplied by, this one will be square root of 6 on, this one will be 2. Okay, Now, 81 times square root of 6 is 81 square root of 6 over, now this one, 16 times 2 is 32. Okay, so it means that our expression 9 on 4, bracket, exponent 9 on 4, the answer without using a calculator is 81 square root of 6 on 32. So this is our answer for this expression. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.